Today, let's make refreshing, soothing tea, ginger, turmeric, and mint. It smells good. So, very easy to make this tea. So, I have 2 glasses of water to boil. By the time it gets to boiling point, almost boiling point, I'm going to make ready all the ingredients. I'm grating the ginger, wash the ginger, turmeric very nicely. Peel off the skin if you like. Mine is from the backyard, so it's organic. So I'm not going to peel off the skin. Ginger boosts your digestive system. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory. It helps the purification. So the if you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use turmeric powder. Add like 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'm grating this fresh ginger. It really smells heavenly when I'm grating the ginger and turmeric. I love the aroma. And I have fresh mint leaves. Mint leaves also helps digestion. I like to chop rather than chopping on the chopping board. I like to tear off my herbs when I'm using it for tea, especially. I just tear it off with my hands so that freshness is there, and I tear it off when it's ready to use. Some black pepper, uh, which will help activate the turmeric. So I'm adding mint leaves, and I'm grating the ginger and grating the turmeric because when you grate it, the flavor it releases is more than just chopping it, and it is much effective. The flavor is a little bit stronger, but it's the flavor is very natural, normal flavor it isn't. So I'm going to bring this to a boil, and once it's boiling, I like to add black pepper because black pepper, when you add towards the end, it retains that fresh flavor of black pepper. Because the tea is not just for drinking, but it's like therapeutic. I like the flavors when it's you're chopping it, when you're boiling the tea. It just relaxes and soothes your mind. It feels so good. So now I'm going to simmer it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And these are the ingredients I have. It's perfect for a rainy season, winter season, if you have cold and cough. But if it's hot summer, then reduce the quantity of turmeric. And initially, try to make this tea lighter version and see how your body takes it, how you like the flavor, and then try to make it more concentrated. So initially try the lighter version by adding a little bit lesser ingredients. So even you can add dry ginger powder if you don't have fresh ginger. So now this fresh, I'm going to serve it. You can add sweeteners to this like honey or any sweeteners you use. I personally don't like sweeteners in my herbal tea, but if you're not used to the taste, you can try. Add lemon juice to this. It will give a nice flavor. Do try this tea and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.